A software engineer has $300 million worth of Bitcoin, but he forgot his password and he can't access it. This is a true story. Imagine losing access to a fortune just because you forgot your password. To prevent this nightmare, watch this video till the end.
We're talking about losing all your Bitcoin.
A guy in San Francisco says he forgot the password to his stash of over 7,000 coins.
I tried a couple different passwords, but yeah, none of them worked.
What are crypto wallets? A crypto wallet is a place where you can securely store your crypto. In the physical world, you probably store your money in the form of notes and coins in your physical wallet. Similarly, you need a digital wallet called a crypto wallet to store your cryptocurrency and NFTs. Using a crypto wallet, you can make transactions like buying, selling, and receiving cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Your wallet holds your public keys and private keys, both of which you need to access your cryptocurrencies and NFTs. A key is a long series of random, unpredictable characters. While a public key is like your bank account number and can be shared widely, your private key is like your bank account password or PIN and should be kept private. In public key cryptography, every public key is paired with one companion private key, and together they're utilized to encrypt and decrypt data. The public key is just like its name, it's public and open to anyone in the system, whereas the private key proves the ownership of the respective public key and must be kept secret with enough security. Different types of crypto wallets. Basically, on a broad range, there are two types of wallets based on their connectivity to the internet: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are software-based ones, while cold wallets are physical ones. What are hot wallets? The three types of hot wallets include web-based wallets, mobile wallets, desktop wallets. In hot wallets, private keys are held and encrypted on the app itself, which is saved online. Using a hot wallet isn't completely safe because computer networks have disguised vulnerabilities that can be targeted by hackers or malware programs to fall into the system. So keeping extensive amounts of cryptocurrency in a hot wallet is a fundamentally shoddy security practice. A website, crypto exchange, or a web and mobile-based platform like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Edge Wallet are few examples of hot wallets. MetaMask is the most popular one and it's designed for transactions on Ethereum but works on many blockchains. What are cold wallets? A cold wallet is completely offline. While they're not as convenient as hot wallets, they're far more secure. As an example of a physical medium used for cold storage is a piece of paper or an inscribed piece of metal. So examples of cold wallets include paper wallets in a physical spot where the private and public keys are noted down or printed. Hardware wallets, an external device, usually a USB or Bluetooth device, that stores and secures your keys. The Ledger Nano X and Trezor Model T are some of the examples of cold wallets that look like flash drives and offer the level of protection as cold wallets. Hot wallets versus cold wallets, which one's right for you? While both techniques of storage have benefits and disadvantages, the prospect you choose will depend on what exactly you're looking for. For example, if you intend to trade day to day, then accessibility will be very important. So a hot wallet is probably a good choice for you. However, if you're considering storing a tremendous amount of crypto and value security over comfort, then it might be savvy to invest in a cold wallet. Custodial wallets. Most web-based crypto wallets are custodial wallets. Commonly offered on cryptocurrency exchanges, these wallets are used for their comfort and are immensely popular with newcomers, as well as professional day traders. Generally, crypto exchanges like FTX, Binance, BitMEX, Blockchain.com, CoinDCX all store your private keys on their servers, and because they have custody of your keys, they're called custodial wallets. Non-custodial wallets. Non-custodial wallets, on the other hand, permit you to keep full control of your funds since the private key is held by you as the user. When creating a non-custodial wallet, you'll be requested to write down and safely store a list of 12 or so randomly generated words, which are known as recovery or seed phrases. Using the seed phrase, all of your public keys and private keys can be generated. This functions as a backup or a recovery tool in case you fail to access your device. These wallets can either be physical or digital. Some examples of the best non-custodial physical wallets are examples mentioned previously, like the Ledger Nano X, Trezor Model 1, Engrave 0. MetaMask and Trust Wallet are also examples of non-custodial wallets. Custodial versus non-custodial wallets, which one is better? Custodial and non-custodial wallets have mixed pros and cons that make them suitable for different types of users. If you're inclined to lose passwords and devices, then it makes more sense to employ a custodial wallet, since an exchange or a custodian is probably to have better security techniques and backup alternatives. And that's why it's a favored option for beginners who have a smallish to no experience trading crypto. Further, transaction fees with a custodial wallet overlook to be cheaper or even free. However, if you prefer to possess full control of your own funds, you might want to carry a non-custodial wallet. So overall, which crypto wallet should you use? There's no perfect answer as to which crypto wallet you should use. If you're a regular trader, using a web-based wallet either on a crypto exchange or a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask is probably easier for you because it gives you faster access to your funds to trade conveniently. Considering you've taken additional steps to secure your account with two-factor authentication, your crypto is generally safe, but there are still risks. However, if you hodl an extensive quantity of crypto that you're not looking to trade always in the meantime, cold wallets are the safest alternatives as they're not connected to the internet and are immune to online phishing attacks or scams. So just as there are many ways to store cash, there are many ways to store crypto. The choice is yours.